Welcome back to Just 1 Minute Solution. Today I will show you how to find stream URL in Kick and how to add to OBS. Don't forget subs and like. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Go to Kick you have and right your logo, clicked him, go to setting. Now you have stream URL, click it to show your stream URL. Now you send in your mail code verification. Copy here, put it, come down to the bottom right of OBS and open up the settings. Then go over to the left and you need to go and find the option for stream symbol. The stream URL and click apply, everything that's going to be good. Confirm this, and when you're ready, leave a like if you found this useful.